Hello everyone, friends. Valor here. Today I'll show you how to verify an account and Bloxlink account on the phone. So I will use iPhone, but you can use Android also. Yes. To do this, I open my browser. Here, enter Bloxlink. Bloxlink. Now just open the first page, and here is verify new account. Let's open this. Here we need to authorize with your Discord and Roblox account. Let's do this. Click next. Here sign in with your Discord account. So now solve the CAPTCHA. Okay, similar, that is the one, the reference. Okay, here is 2, I think. Okay. After this, you need to access the Bloxlink to your Discord account. Here, click authorize. Now we need to do this from Roblox account. Click next and sign in with your Roblox account. So after this, click continue and just link the Bloxlink to your Roblox account. Here click confirm and give access. Okay. Now you need to select servers in your Discord account. Yes. Here you will see your server list, but I don't have servers at now, so I click just select all and confirm, but you can choose your servers. And that's it. We are now verified in Bloxlink. Thanks for watching. Click likes, subscribes. Goodbye.